हाय सुपर अचीवर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स एंड इंडिविजुअल्स। अभी हम लोगों 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट किया। बहुत आगे निकल चुके हैं, प्लस वी हैव टू गो वेरी फार टू अचीव आवर बिग विजन। हैव यू लिसन्ड, हैव यू वॉच्ड that speech given by our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, on 15th August from Lal Killa? That speech was the biggest, longest one, 103 minutes. What did he talk about? He talked about 2047 vision. What is our vision? VISHIT Bharat, developed nation. India is going to become a developed nation by 2047. It is a big vision. What is your big vision? How we are going to contribute to this big vision? और big vision क्यों है पता है आपको ना? Many times I have told you, always we must have a big vision. क्योंकि अगर हम लोग छोटा सोचेंगे, छोटा विजन रहेगा तो छोटा ही रहेंगे। और इंडिया को कोई अदर कंट्री नहीं चाहता कि एक विकसित भारत बन सके, एक डेवलप्ड नेशन बन सके। Therefore, इसलिए काफ़ी सारा इनसाइड चैलेंजेस भी है एंड आउटसाइड चैलेंजेस भी है। कैसे मोदी और कैसे ये बना सकते हैं कि विकसित भारत, नो नेशन वांट्स। इसलिए जो आउटसाइड चैलेंजेस क्या है? ट्रम्प्स का जो टैरिफ्स ऑन आवर एक्सपोर्ट गुड्स, सैंक्शंस ऑन रशियन ऑयल, टेररिज्म फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान थ्रू पाकिस्तान, एवरीवन वांट्स टू destabilize India, so that we are in these problems only and we cannot grow. Inside also there is a lot of greediness is there, loss of power के लिए, that what do you say, why you are losing powers and greediness, fear of failure, इसलिए challenges चल रहा है। तो आज स्टूडेंट, आज एन इंडिविजुअल एंड आज ए पेरेंट, आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या रहेगा फॉर दिस बिग विजन विकसित भारत? टुडे विल डिस्कस अबाउट दीज थिंग्स। So, before going to the discussion, I am welcoming you to my channel @Pratap Harichandran, in the bracket Atindriyam, where we are building super achievers, and this is possible through you only, because the more and more you share my video, subscribe to my channel, I can reach millions of people and make a big super achievers community. So let us discuss. Is your big vision Vikshit Bharat 2047. What are the pillars? Let us see what are the pillars. Then we will go your contribution, how you can contribute for this big vision. Pillars. First pillar is your self-reliance. That means Atmanirbhar Bharat. All the strategic sectors we should be self-reliant because we should not depend upon others. What are the strategic sectors? Just listen to it. Strategic sectors. It is defense and aerospace. We know the way we are growing, and then energy and sustainability, digital and technology, agriculture and food security, healthcare and biotechnology, education and human capital, then infrastructure and manufacturing, finance and global trade, and social development. These are the strategic sectors. We must be Atmanirbhar. Second pillar है innovation and modernization. That sectors we discussed, we must innovate always and modernize the things to stay in the race for 2047 vision. Next is citizen empowerment. How citizens can take part for this empowered vision. They must think that they also become an entrepreneur, not only job seekers. They should become entrepreneurship. That's why our startups ecosystem is developed and startups are more and more startups are coming up. Investment are also going on startups. Next है, it was economic strength of India. That is, India is going to become 10 trillion USD GDP by 2047. That means third largest GDP in the world. Just imagine. What is the biggest challenge that is going on now? Internal challenge. That is demographic imbalance. Is clear on this. Demographic imbalance due to infiltration and illegal migration. A lot of infiltration is there and illegal migration in India. That is one of the biggest challenge going on. How to take care, a lot of things are going on, and definitely we'll come over this problem. Then global competitiveness and inclusivity, emphasis on strategic autonomy, social inclusivity, and global competitiveness. So these are the pillars. What should be your role as a student, as an individual, and as a parent? See, your character and your responsibility is taking a major role. And from village to metros and classroom to boardroom, wherever you are, you have to contribute for this development. Think like that. And the challenges, let's see what are the challenges that we are facing. Outside challenges that we saw, as I told you, geopolitical problems like tariffs, sanctions, wars, terrorism. Inside, invaders are greed due to greed, ego, division, and political fear. And if we are divided, then how can we grow? Think like that. So whenever you are listening something or seeing something, whatever thoughts that is coming to you, be conscious whether this is right or wrong. You must be aware of these things. What is your role as a student? Because we are going to celebrate 100th year of independence on 15th August. Your role is simple and powerful. First, it is very simple and powerful. Focus on skill building apart from your achievements in academics, and there is no shortcut. Learn critical thinking, and there should not be any blind following. Be conscious. Whatever you see, whatever you listen, or whatever you read, be conscious and know what is right and what is wrong. Become creators, innovators, and leaders, not only job seekers. These things. And every hour you contribute and you dedicate it for your learning means that is a brick for this 2047 VISHIT Bharat. Because you are developing. That becomes a brick. Now, let us see what is the role of parents and individuals. First, parents. Please raise your children with unity, dignity, not with division. You should not compare with other children, that he is that, who is that, she is that, those things. No. Let us build this concept of unity. With unity only we can achieve the big things. And please help them to go with the purpose, not put any pressure. Purpose, you know what is the purpose. Now, individuals. Please work with honesty. These are the simple things I am telling you. Honesty, ethics, so that we can kill the corruption in every stage we have. We can go any government office. There is corruption. That we have to kill first to become a Vikshit Bharat. So these are the things, simple things we can do. Next up, let us take an oath. Why? If you take some oath, no, we realize the things. So let's take this oath. First, it is to fight fear with awareness. Awareness, conscious awareness. To replace greed with contribution. Not only me, mera acha na chahiye. No, let's start contributing. To rise above ego and hatred. Educate ourselves and others consciously. Whenever you get a chance, please educate others. Nowadays, everybody thinks that I am knowledgeable. But you have to tell your perceptions. What is Vikshit Bharat? How can you help us? Help to become a Vikshit Bharat. To work with unity for India's vision. Only if you can work, all of us can work towards this vision, then only you can achieve. If every student studies with purpose, if every parent guides with a love and every individual works with integrity, then there is no doubt that we can achieve this big vision 2047, Vikshit Bharat. So this is all. I just told you, something came to mind. I made this video. Let's build this awareness and start thinking and do small things so that we become a Vikshit Bharat by 2047. How do you like this video? If you need any information, please help to write down or message me. To like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's build a community of super achievers. All the love, all the power.